In self practice 6F, it is given as converting a fraction into decimal. Means how can you convert a fraction into decimal? So first question, first A, you can see first A 9 by 10. 9 by 10. So how can you convert 9 by 10 in decimal? It is very easy. You can see denominator has only 1 0. So you can take after decimal 1 place like that 0.9. After 0.9, after point 1 digit only 9, because here denominator has 1 0. Like that 23 by 10. B 23 by 10, denominator has 1 0 as 10. So here you can take, here 23, numerator is 23, 2 digit. You can take after decimal only 1 digit, it will be 2.3. After that 6 by 100, 6 by 100, it means here 2 0 but only 1 digit, so you can complete 1 digit by 0, so 0.06. After that D 69 by 100, 69 by 100, so 69, this number has 2 digit, so here also denominator has 2 0, so you can take this decimal here before 2 digit, means 0.69. Like that you can do E, F, G, H, all questions. G, you can see question number G 17 by 10,000, 17 by 10,000. Numerator is 10,000, denominator is 10,000 and having 4 0, but here numerator is the number having 2 digit only, 17, 2 digit, so you can take 2 digit as 0 before 17, so you can take 2 0 before 17 and you can put decimal here 0.0017, and like that as written as formality 0 before also you can write, so 0.0017. If you want to, you can put here 0 before decimal, or even you may leave this, means 0.0017. After that H 173 by 1000, H 173 by 1000, this 173 having 3 digit and here 1000 as denominator having also 3 0, so 3 digit you can take, before it you can put decimal 173. Like that you do I, J yourself. J is very easy also. J you can do like that, J 28 and 769 by 10,000. So you can write this 23 plus, you can see fraction part as 769 by 10,000. 10,000 has 4 0, so you can take 1 digit as 0 to complete. Here it means 0.0769. You can add together 23.0769. This is answer. So you can change here 28 given, not 23, 28 given. So you write 28 in the question, given 28. So you write 28. So 28.0769. Like that you can do. After that, question number second A. It is also very easy, but denominator has not 0. You can do like that. Second is 1 by 4. But here you can see denominator is not 0. It means you divide 1 by 4 like that. You divide 1 by 4. 1 is less, 4 is bigger. Means dividend is less, divisor is bigger. So you can increase 1 0 here. Now it is 10. But here you put decimal. If you put decimal here as in the place of quotient, so you can increase 1 0 here. It will be 10. Now it is 10. So 4 to the 8. 10 minus 8, 2. If you have put one time decimal, so you can increase 0 for at the coming time you need. So it will be 20. Now 4 5 ja 20. 20 minus 20, 0. So 0.25. So if you are changing 1 by 4 in decimal, it will come 0.25. Also you can write 0.25. In this way you can do. You can change the fraction in decimal. B, second B. You can see second B 3 by 5. 3 by 5 means you divide 3 by 5. 3 is less, 5 is more, so you put decimal here. After that you can write 0 here, you can increase 1 0 here. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. 0.6. So if you are converting 3 by 5 into decimal, it will come 0.6 or 0.6, same thing. C, third C, 7 by 8. 7 by 8. You divide 7 by 8. You divide 7 by 8. 7 is less than 8. So you can put decimal here and you can increase 0. It will be 70. So 8 8 the 64. 10 minus 4, 6. So you can increase 1 0 already. So 8 6 ja. You can count the table. So 8 7 ja. You can take 8 7 ja. 56. 10 minus 6, 4, and here 0. Now you can increase 0. 8 5 ja 40. 8 5 ja 40, 0 here. So if you are changing 7 by 8 into decimal, it will come 0.875. 0.875 will come. So like that you can do as by the division method. You divide numerator by the denominator because the denominator is not 0. If denominator is given like that 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So like that you can change already as very easy way what I had explained before. But if denominator is not 0, so means not like that multiple of 10. So you can do as the division method like that, and you can put the decimal and you can divide this. Like that you can complete D, E, F also. But I want to explain question number F. You can see question number F. You can see question number F. Second F. 19 and 17 by 40. 19 and 17 by 40. How you can change? you can write this 19 plus 17 by 40. Now you change this fractional part. 17 by 40 means you divide 17 by 40. You divide 17 by 40. 17 is less than 40, means dividend is less than divisor. So you can put here decimal. After that it will be, you can increase 1 0, it will be 170. You count the table of 40. 40 fourths are 160. 0, 7 minus 6, 1. Now it is 10. You can increase 1 0 because you have put decimal one time. So you can increase 1 0. So 40 divided by this 100. You see, this is 100. 100 divided by 40. So 42 is 80. 42 is 80. 20 remaining. As remainder 20. You can increase 1 time 0 again. And you can divide 45 ja. 45, you count the table of 40, 45 ja 200. 45 ja 200. So answer will come 19 plus 17 by 40 means 0.45, 0.425. You connect together 19.425. You can write 19.425. So in this way, if you are changing 19 and 17 by 40, so also you can write 19.425. This is answer. So this type of question coming as mixed fraction, so you can like that separate 19 plus 17 by 40. After that, you can change 17 by 40 into decimal, and after completing this, you can do like that as addition, and you can get this decimal. So you do all questions. Express 18 seconds of an hour as decimal. Third question. Question number 3. Express 18 seconds of an hour as a decimal. So 18 seconds into hour. 18 seconds of an hour. So 18 seconds of an hour, you see 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Again you change minute into second. Or you can say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, and also 60 minutes, 1 minute has means 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So it means 60 into 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. It means 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. Now you change express 18 seconds of an hour as a decimal. So as a decimal, how can you change? 18 by 3600. You can write 18 seconds as of 1 hour. 1 hour has 3600 seconds. So now both units has second. 18 second also in second, and 1 hour also has been now second. So units should be equal. Second to second cancel. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, and 0. So 1 by 200. 1 by 200. Also you can change 1 by 200 as in the decimal. How? You divide 1 by 200. You can increase, you can put decimal, you can increase 1 0. But if you are putting decimal, so you can increase 1 0 only one time here. But if you want to more 0, because 10 is less than 200, you increase 1 0 more. So also you increase 1 0 here as in quotient. Now it is 100, again it is less. So you can increase 1 0 here also and 1 0 here also. it is now 1000. So 1000 divided by 200. So 5 times will go. 5 to the 10. 0 0 1000. So in this way you can do 0.005. It means if you divide 1 by 200, or if you divide 1 by 200, answer will come 0.005. In this way, if you are changing 18 seconds of an hour as a decimal, it will come 0.005. So like that, firstly you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to, you change 60 minutes, after change minute into second, 16 to second, 16 to 60, after that it will be 3600 seconds, and 18 second change into as decimal form. So 18 by out of 3600, 18. So how much as a fraction part? 18 1 18, 18 to the 36, 1 by 200, or you can say 0.005. In the decimal part, 0.005. So 18 is in the point decimal form 005 as in the value of the decimal. So in this way you can do all the questions. And next self practice 6G, it is only addition you can do in the nice way, because it is very easy. Only it is simply addition of the decimal. So you can do addition of decimal. You can do exercise 6G. Exercise 6G, very easy. You can see 5.9, 36.87, 9.265. First question you see 5.9, 5.9, 36.87, 36.87. You take care as a decimal below decimal. Means as the margin of the decimal should be as the in the same line 5.9, 36.87 like that you can see, and 9.265, 9.265. You can add now. You can see decimal below decimal below decimal. So decimal, all the decimals must be in one line vertically. So after that you can see 0.9 only this one, 0.87 this one, 0.265. After decimal 3 digit, after decimal 2 digit, after decimal 1 digit. So you can change in the like decimal. Changing in the like decimal you can fill with 0. Here also 0, you can fill here also 0. What is the maximum of after the decimal? How many digits are there? Maximum. So you can take that. You can fill 0, 1, 0 here also. Now all the fractions means all the decimals now like decimals. So changing the like decimal you can add this like that. Directly also you can add this, no matter. Directly also you can add this without changing the decimal into like decimal. Like this also you can do 5 and 7 6, 13, 1 carry, 8 to 10, 10 1 11, 11 and 9, 20, 20, 0, 2 carry, and 9 6, 15, 15 and 5, 20, 20 and 2, 22, 2 here, again 2 carry, 3 and 2, 3 and 2, 5. So it will come 52.035. 52.035. If you want to, I putting 0 here, I changing the like decimals also you can do. If you want to not using this 0 also you can do like that as the directly same as 5 here, 7 6, 13 3 here, 1 carry, 8 2 10 and 1 11, 11 and 9 20, 20 0 here, 2 carry, so 9 6 15 and 5 20, 20 and 2 22, 2 here, 2 carry, 3 and 2 5, so 52.035. Like that you can do second question, third question, fourth question yourself. And fifth question also you can do as the same way as writing vertically, like that. 5-1. First question I am telling, it is given 5.607, 5.607, 38.72, 38.72, 605.5, 605.5 and 0.7496 and 0.7496. How you can do? You arrange vertically. Firstly write 5.607, after that 38.72. 38 means you arrange as whole number, 38.72. Point should be in the one line as point below point. Don't disturb this point. Point below point you write, then you can do 605. The whole number you arrange 605, like that. 0.5, only one digit after decimal, and 0.7496 here, 0.749 and 6. After that you can add. So if you want to, you can fill the gaps as with 0. There is no difference, there is no any types of changing in the value, because it will be changed in the like decimal. So also you can do. So after decimal, how many digits are there maximum? After decimal there are 4 digits maximum. Here also you can put 0. So 4 digits. So 1 digit after decimal, 1 digit here you can put 0 3 times. Here 2 digit you can increase 2 0. Here 3 digit you can increase 1 0. Now after decimal you can see all the digits are equal. So now it has been changed into like decimal. After that you can add together 6 here, 9 6 here and 9 7, 16, 6 here, 1 carry, and after that 4 2 6, 6 and 1 7, and 7 5 12, 12 and 7, 12 7 19, 19 and 1 20 and 5 25, 5 here, 2 carry, 5 had 10 and 8 18, 18 and 2 20, 0, 2 carry, 3 and 2, 3 and 2 5 and 6 here. So 650.5766, 650.5766. So if you want to change in the like decimals, also you can do like that, what I have done. Next question 6 you can do yourself. After that, subtraction of decimals. What you studied as the addition of decimals, like that also subtraction of decimals you can do. But some techniques you can use in the subtraction, you can see. You can see next exercise 6H. 6H. I shall practice 6H subtraction. First question is given 79.68, 79.68 and 28.47. 28.47. This subtraction very easy. 8 minus 7 1, 6 minus 4 2, decimal here put, 9 minus 8, 1, and 7 minus 2, 5. Very easy. 51.21. 51.21. And second question you do yourself. Third question also you do yourself. What you see? Third question. 9.869 minus 8.1 minus 8.1. You can see if the more digit after decimal is given as above, from which number you are subtracting. So you can see after decimal 3 digit here and after decimal 1 digit here. So you can change in the like decimal if the number is subtracting or the subtracted numbers are less. So you can fill like that 0 here, like that. I am changing into like decimal. After that you can write 9 minus 0, 9, 6 minus 0, 6, 8 minus 1, 7, here point, 9 minus 8, 1. 1.769. Question number 4. You see 7.1 minus 0.7359 minus 0.7359. How you can do? Firstly you change into like decimal. So change into like decimal. After decimal how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. Here 1 digit. So 3 0 you can increase like that. Above you can increase 3 0. After that you can subtract. 0 minus 9 will not go. It will be 10. 10 minus 9. Here it will be 9. Here also it will be 9. So 10 minus 9. 1. 9 minus 5. 4. 9 minus 3. 6. Here it will be 0. 0 minus 7. It will not go. So it will be 10. It will be 10. 10 minus 7. 3. Here it will be 6. 6 minus 0. 6. So 6.3641. If you are subtracting that 7.1 minus 0.7359, you can get 6.37641. You can add together, then you can get this one. See, 9 1 10 0 1 carry, 5 4 9 and 1 10 0 1 carry, 6 3 9 and 1 10 0 1 carry, 7 3 10 and 1 11 11 1 here 1 carry, and 6 and 1 7. In this way you can check the answer and you can do. So now you can do all questions here, and question number 5, 6, 7. I am going to explain only question number 6. Question number 5 and question number 7 you do yourself. Question number 6 you see. 51 minus 29.7894. 29.7895. 7895. So firstly you see how many numbers having the whole number. So here you can see 51, it is the whole number. Here is the decimals, 29 is whole number. So you can arrange in the vertical form. 51. After decimal how many digits are there? After decimal 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. There are 4 digits. So you can write 51 point after the 4 digit, means 40 you write. There is no difference between 51 and 51.000. Same thing. 51 or 51.000. For our convenience, we can write 51 point. How many digits are there after decimal? 4 digits. So you can increase as 40 here after decimal. After that, you arrange the whole number 29 like that. 29 here. Point 7895. 7895. After that, you can subtract. 0 minus 5 will not go, so 10, it will be 10, 10 minus 5, 5, here it will be 9, 9 minus 9, 0, here also it will be 9, 9 minus 8, 1, here also it will be 9, 9 minus 7, 3, after that here it will be 0, 0, but 0 from 0, 9 cannot be go, it will be 10. So 10 minus 9, 1, you put decimal here, 10 minus 9, 1, and here it will be 4. Because it has been given one borrow, so 4 minus 2, 2. You can check the answer, 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7, 3, 10. So 9 minus 7, here you can write 2, no? Here it will be 2. You can check 7 to 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10 and 1, 11, 1 carry, and 2 to 4 and 1, 5. Again you can check 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 8 and 1, 9 and 1, 10, 0, 1 carry, 7 to 9 and 1, 0, 9 and 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 9 and 1, 10, 10 and 1, 11, 1 here, 1 carry, and 2 to 4 and 1, 5. So you can check like that this. So now answer is 21.2105. So you can complete this exercise. So today you complete self practice till self practice 6H as video part 1. Today only video part 1. After that it will come also video part 2 today only itself. For today's class, thank you.